We are proud to announce Atomic Wallet token as one of the first projects moved on the Binance chain. AWC is listed on Binance DEX, the new decentralized exchange. To trade AWC on Binance DEX, you need to unlock your wallet or click on the Create a New Wallet button. Read the wallet creation tutorial. Create a password and keep the key store file offline in a safe and secret place because there's no one who can restore it. Get your mnemonic phrase and make 2 copies of it on paper to safely store it in 2 different places. You can also get your private key that will allow having access to your funds on another wallet. Make sure to write the backup phrase correctly and click Continue. Then select the mnemonic phrase in the correct order to ensure that your copy is correct. It is very important because mnemonic phrase will allow you to restore access to the money and create a new password to your wallet. Now we need to top up the balance. Copy your BNB public address and send Binance coin to your wallet on Binance DEX. You can see the deposit on the Balance tab. Click on the trading desk, set the price, set the amount, click Buy AWC and enter your password to confirm the place order. Order is created, and on these tabs you can see details and your total amount in the right corner. If you want, you can use the search in Atomic to get your AWC BNB address and send AWC from Binance DEX to your Atomic wallet. Download the latest version of the app at atomicwallet.io and enjoy your crypto being safely managed.